Today we're going to be learning about how to outline your text in Illustrator so that we can turn a regular typeface into a vector. To start, we need to create our new document, so we can go File, New, and set up the workspace that we want to use. For this particular document, we will be using millimeters as our units, and we will be using an A4, standard A4 landscape page. We can then go create. To start with, you'll need to select your text first. To do that, you go over to your tools and you go to the type tool. Once you've selected your type tool, you should be able to type anywhere on the page that you click your mouse. If we click in the center, it will put some fill text in first, but you can type over that with any text that you like. To then change that text, you can double click the text. It should highlight the whole of the text. Down in your character section, you can change the font and the size. If you don't have the character window down in your properties table, you can go up to window and select it from there. Should be in type. Should be in type and then character, and that will make it appear in your properties section. So by double clicking on our text, we can change the size. We want it nice and big, so we'll make it 150. And we can then change the font. I am looking for a script font. Script MT bold. So now we've got the font that we want to outline and turn into a vector. As you can see now, it is still a typeface, so we can delete and add to it still. Once we turn it into a vector, we can't make those changes anymore. So if you want to keep the type that you are happy with, you can Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. That will make a copy of your type. This means that we can have our editable version, and then we can transform our editable version above into a vector, and if we want to make any changes, we can always go back to our original version. Now to create our vector, we select our type, so we've clicked on the box, we go up to type and create outlines. Or, as you can see, the shortcut Shift-Control-O. Now that we've created our outlines, you can see that the blue lines go around the edge of our text. Down in the regular typeface, the blue line runs along the bottom. So the typeface exists on top of it, whereas up here, the typeface is an actual vector with pixels filling in each of our blue outlines. As you can also see, our vector is made up of the 5 different letters that are still singular. So we can go in and select each individual letter as we click through. If we want to merge our letters into one whole vector, so it's not individual pieces, we can select the whole word and go down to our Pathfinder, and we want to unite all of our parts. So unite is the 2 squares that are overlapping that are joined in the middle. So when we click unite, we no longer have our letters separated. This means when we want to fill our text or our vector's color in, we can select a gradient and it will run across the whole text. If we go back to where it's not being united and we add a gradient, it will only fill the gradient in each of your letters. So to get a gradient that runs across your whole text, you need to use the Pathfinder tool to unite each element in your whole vector. And that is how we outline text in Illustrator.